Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do a laundry stripping and I will use whites today, and I want to see if I will pull out any laundry buildup soap out of the clothes or extra dirt. But first I will wash the load on the setting for whites, and it will be washed on the hottest cycle. And yes, I did the pre-soak as well. So this is the load that finished washing and it's wet. I did not put it in a dryer yet. And the bathtub has been cleaned with a soft scrub. Just if anything will be pulled out, I wanted to pull out from the clothes, not from the tub. The key ingredient I use is oxiclean only. And I have heard people have used washing soda only or just combine both. And I will leave my clothes in this tub from 3 to 4 hours, but if possible, leave it overnight. I will use a hand agitator that I got from Amazon, and I am using this to make sure I will get the oxiclean dispersed evenly throughout my clothes and water. So it has been an hour already, and I came back with an agitator just to loosen up the clothes and get the water even temperature, because I have noticed it was getting cold. Most of these are my husband's work socks, and he works in a construction, so he gets them really stained and dirty. I'm having some hopes that this method will lift some of that stains. And this is what water looks like 1 hour later. What do you guys think? Is this method working? Leave a comment below. So it has been already close to 4 hours, and I am getting everything ready to be removed from the tub. I will wring out as much of water as possible so it won't be too heavy for me to take it to my washer machine. And this is the result. What do you guys think? Does it look like dirty or just very soapy? Now I'm gonna finish this with the rinse and spin cycle and get everything dried. And I want to say thank you so much for being here and watching this video. If you have liked this kind of a content, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And as always, thank you so much. Bye.